Hello, good morning children. Good morning to all of you. Today is a very happy day for me. It's a very happy day because I see all this energy that you all have, and you're all gathered together to have a good time today. So, it is also an exciting day for me today because we have our friends from the 3 centers gathered together, yes? Right? And not only that, for the first time at Alphajoy, we are doing something that's new and interesting and fun. It is street dancing together. So later on, you get a chance to see your friends performing. And over the last few weeks, when I go to the different centers and I see them rehearsing and practicing, I really see that they have put in a lot of effort, not only for themselves personally when they're dancing for themselves, but also to work together with their friends. So maybe a round of applause for everybody. And so today we have come to a point where your friends will now pluck up their courage and to show you what they have learned and they have practiced and they have rehearsed over the last few weeks. At this point, maybe I'd like to also say a word of thanks. Many thanks to our instructors, our trainers and our coaches for the hard work and the guidance and the patience. Do you know that they are actually award winners for the various dance competition? I believe it's local and overseas, is it correct? Yeah, so here you have our instructors who are award winners here to coach you. So a round of applause for them, please. Okay, so keep up your energy, and without further ado, then let us have the performance begin.
I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jocking. Keep up. Players only. Come on. Put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear. Look out. Magic. This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot. And my band bought that money. Break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up, then stare at the fan. Turn the TV on, throw my hand in my pants. Nobody's gonna tell me I can't. Nah, I'll be lounging on the couch, just chilling in my Snuggie. Click to MTV so they can teach me how to Dougie. 'Cause in my castle, I'm the freaking man. Oh, yes, I said it. I said it. I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. Nothing at all. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, woo. Nothing at all. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, woo. Nothing at all.
Okay, Jing Shan, Guangyang, Unity, how's your performance? No, okay. Remember our first lesson? You learned about hip hop. Remember what is it about? Peace, love, unity, and having fun. Okay? So at the end of the day, everyone is winner, okay? No, you are not here to judge one another. Okay? To just come here and have fun, okay? So with that, after everyone see them dance, right? Did they do a good job? Clap hand, clap hand. Okay? So we'll close off with by the instructors will do a choreography for you all to see. Okay? Okay, so enjoy our performance.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights, when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. 'Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop, stop, stop. Under the lights, when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance.
see your performance and I think to myself, wow, you know, a few weeks of rehearsals for 3 minutes of performance. That's really a lot of hard work. And you see our instructors here as well. We sit down and we enjoy the performance, but they have to put in so much effort just for that 5 minutes of performance. Right? So I think that this really teaches us a certain value, and is that hard work really does pay off, and that without hard work you cannot see something that is beautiful and nice. Alright, so I hope that through street dance, this is something that you can learn, not just for our participants here in front, but also for our audience. If you want to enjoy something nice and beautiful, you have to work towards it. Alright, both for yourself personally and together with other friends. Alright, so I think like what our instructor has said, we have come to the end of our session. We hope to have more sessions with them again next time, yes? You enjoy? Alright.